Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn small letters, alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, dark green color, red color, yellow color, black color, light green color. Kids now coloring small letters, alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C for cat, C for car. Kids now draw D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E for egg, E for elephant, and use dark green color. The alphabets of E. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids now draw H for hen, H for helicopter, and use red color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. It's neither L for lion, L for lemon, and use yellow color. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. It's now draw numbers, and first we draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use blue color. O N E 1, 2 T W O 2, 3 T H R W 3. Kids now 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids now 5. The numbers of 5, and use green color. F I V E 5, 6 S I X 6, 7 S E V E N 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8, and use red color. E I G H T 8, 9 N I N E 9, 10 T E N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11. Kids now draw 12. The numbers of 12, and use yellow color. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.